More Bulgarian dishes. We have here salad, tomato, domat, pepper, chushka, onion, you can see the onion, kromid. What else? We have cucumber, krastavica, and white cheese, sirene. And that's perfect summer salad.
And in Bulgarian salad, salata.
Salata. We also have here, you can say what's that?
Tikvichki.
Tikvichki, which in English is courgette.
Yogurt.
So they are fried courgettes, tikvichki, in yogurt, кисело mlako with salt. And you can see this green stuff here is dill, or that's copper, and garlic, chesan. Which one you want to try first?
Tikvichki.
Okay. Help yourself. And for drink, I have something that is popular in Bulgaria, mastika. And the version you can try, like French, they say perno, it's the same. And ouzo is the Greek one. I think there's another one, not sure, but it's the same. So I have mastika, which in this case it's not mastika, it's like ouzo, with water. You don't want one? Voda.
На здраве.
На здраве. Cheers.
Cheers.
Добър апетит. Bon appetit. Добър апетит. I'll just get little salad.
Вкусно!
Вкусно. Delicious.
Много вкусно.
Още тиквички?
Да, след малко.
More.
In a bit.
In a bit.
След малко.
I love the salad.
Как е? How is the salad?
Вкусно. Delicious. What's your favorite Bulgarian dish? Or salad? Because we have other type of salads.
We have a lot of salads.
Yeah, we can have a salad from cucumbers only.
Yes.
Cucumber salad. Салата от краставици. We also can have tomato salad.
Yes.
Салата от домати. We can have
Зелена салата.
зелена салата, lettuce. Or великденска салата. Великденска салата.
Easter salad.
Easter salad, which is lettuce, cucumber, eggs. That's it? Onion, maybe? Маруля, краставица, яйца, пресен кромит, репички.
Репички. I don't remember what that is in English.
Funny enough, me too.
Radish.
Radish. Okay, radish. We also have something that Greeks, they call tzatziki salad. Tzatziki? Whatever. Which is cucumber with yogurt. And we call it МЛЕЧНА салата. Or sometimes салата СНЕЖАНКА.
Snow White.
Salad.
Salad Snow White.
We also have, what's the other one? Funny enough, we have a salad. I don't think it's Bulgarian salad. We call it Russian salad. And recently I heard that Russians call it French salad. So no idea where the salad comes from.
And the French call it Australian salad.
No, the French, I don't remember what they... no, they had something else. I think the French, funny enough, I think the French was thinking that's Bulgarian salad.
That's right. It's Bulgarian salad.
So it's going like in a circle. It's a winter salad, and it's made with potatoes. So you can say each Bulgarian or English.
КАРТОФи,
Carrots,
моркови,
peas,
грах,
eggs,
яйца,
and some sort of salami.
салам,
Yeah. What else?
майонеза,
Yeah, and then we use mayonnaise.
майонеза.
Yeah, I think that's it. I don't think there is. I think that's it. It's no. It's simple. Well, I'm not sure if it's a simple salad because it takes quite a long to make it. You have to boil all the stuff. We also have this shepherd salad. Овчарска salata. And it's similar to this one, but it's with mushrooms. And I can't remember what else. I honestly forgot about that salad.
I don't know about that salad.
Oh, okay. So we have quite a lot of salads. Oh, also cabbage and carrots. Winter salad. Cabbage and carrots.
The red cabbage.
The red cabbage. Well, it can be white cabbage. I think we use white cabbage. Carrots.
And apple sometimes.
I don't think we use apple.
Okay.
But we use cabbage and ряпа? Turnip. Cabbage and turnip. Zele, cabbage, and turnip, ряпа. So, yeah, we have quite a lot of salads. And also vegetarian dishes in Bulgaria. Although we quite like eating meat.
Potatoes.
And meat. So we use lots of potatoes and meat. Maybe most of the time we use mince. I think. But meat, yeah.
Or salami. Mince or salami.
Oh yeah, we have different types of salami. Yeah, true, a lot. But also salads. And when we sit down, as you can see, we always have a salad. Always. Depends on the season. Rakia I don't like, but I like MASTIKA. So first thing we have salad, then something else, like the main course. And then we usually have dessert. But we'll skip that. Yeah.
Maybe.
So enjoy, and if you tried Bulgarian dishes, please share with us which one is your favorite. Bye.
Bye.
More Bulgarian dishes. Это спеть.
Здесь